everybody. Thanks for watching. We are back. For those of you who do not know, my email was hacked. My YouTube was hacked. Somebody put up some spam, some crazy stuff up on my YouTube channel. They went live, and YouTube terminated my channel. So my channel has been down for a few days now. And a lot of people emailed me. A lot of people emailed about it. I'm glad you guys saw it. I was asleep during the process. Whenever it happened, I woke up and got the text message that my email password was changed. But before that, as I said, I was trying to upload some stuff on YouTube with some issues with that. So I figured it was YouTube that took it down, but ultimately it was somebody who hacked my email and my YouTube channel and had everything taken down. So whatever that was, they pointed to spam, somebody who's going around doing this. It's pointing to a couple of different people. Now, I'm not going to get into that, but the person who didn't know, who they are for whatever reasons. But, they caught me slipping. And I just had to really back up and protect my email accounts a lot better than I was. So now I have a lot better protection. It was a big wake-up call for me. And to really get on point with the protection. I thought I was, good, protected enough. But once something like this happens, you don't really think about how they can get in. I knew exactly how they got in. A lot of this stuff, it's not hard to hack stuff, people. It's not hard to hack Gmails and everything like that. You just have to, set up everything differently and not use your own IP or what have you, because they can backtrack all that. So, once I figured that out and I had some help, and believe it or not, YouTube was a big help because they're trying to figure out who was doing this. And if it really wasn't, to be honest, if it wasn't for YouTube cooperating with us, then I wouldn't have the channel back at all. So me first believing it was them, I was wrong. I would definitely say that. But they did everything they could do. And for a minute, it wasn't looking good. So I thought I was going to lose it all. And I've had my Gmail that's attached to this YouTube since forever, since the beginning of Google, Gmail. I've had that Gmail account forever, long time. So yeah, it's attached to a lot of stuff, and it would have sucked to lose that. And it was just a big mix up. You can imagine something like that happen. And then you're looking at everything security wise, especially if you're using that email to log into multiple, different things. You got to think about, hey, if they want to send me a freaking, some codes or something like that or whatever, I can't get into their email account now. So it's a big deal. So just understand if this happens to you. I didn't think it would happen to me, but if it happens to you, immediately, Google's no help. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Your best bet is to get you, a code key, an actual physical key that you put into your computer. And a lot of these codes are really good. They require you to touch the key in order to confirm what you're trying to do. So if somebody hacks you, they can't really hack you unless they have that key. So they can't get around and bypass that because you have to actually physically touch the key at certain points to get in or to have everything work for you. So those keys are pretty cool. They work. There are ways around it, but the whole touching the key part is just something they can't fake. They got to basically pull some Inception type stuff on you and kidnap you and all that to figure everything out. So there's actually real good foolproof encryption out there for anybody that's worried about such a thing. I highly recommend, if you're doing any serious things on your computer and you need your stuff to be backed up, then that's the route you want to go. So yeah, all that being said, Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a good start to the year. It's a lot of stuff going on. Everybody knows what's going on in California. It's a lot of stuff going on around the world. A lot we have to get into, a lot to catch up on. So we're going to start talking about some of this stuff. And again, they're on top of all of this. You look at the wildfires and everything that's happening in California, not a coincidence to me, not natural disaster to me. It is what it is. We'll get into that later. But it's just a lot to pay attention to. And we know what's coming. Inauguration coming up. We have the regulations coming up for crypto. We have a lot of new things that's going to be happening this year that we really have to pay attention to. And it's going to be a huge year, and a lot of stuff is expected to happen in multiple bad ways and multiple good ways. But if you guys are preparing yourself, if you are investing in the right things, you should be fine. And at least have a heads up and be able to do what you need to do in case, the worst happens. But yeah, pay attention. So yeah. So people ask about consultations, and people have been booking them. The link is in the description. For anybody who's still trying to book consultations. I'm still booking so far through February, maybe March. So link in the description for that. Also, yeah, Merkabah Scholar Society link is in the description to join that. Because of the my channel getting hacked and everything like that, I dropped the price to get more people. Because on the YouTube channel, on the site, the website is up, by the way, for Merkabah Scholar Society. Still building on it. It's up. It's ready to go. All the members for the Scholar Society, you guys got emails about all that. You cannot go on there and request membership if you're not already a member. If you do, nothing will happen. So it's no point in doing that. Only members will be allowed in. But on the site will be all my YouTube videos will be on the website. So all my YouTube videos, all the digital downloads, and everything that we talk about in the society, all the videos from the society. I think we have like 12 videos now in the society. 11 or 12, all those videos are going to be on the website. The app as well. As you can see with the website is sort of like Facebook, and our app is like Instagram. So I've been working on that, as you can see here. And we're basically integrating that into the website so it can work just like Instagram and Facebook does right now, to where post something on Instagram, you can share it on Facebook. So it's going to be, if you post something on the Scholar Society app, it'll be on the website, vice versa, what have you. Adding cool stuff to it. So far, so good. It's looking good. So yeah, that's going on. But right now it's a sale for Scholar Society. And I'm only dropping it for probably just another 24 hours because I had already put it up and dropped it. So the link is in the description. I think it's like $69, $70 or something like that. But, again, same thing. Not everybody's going to get in, but you have an opportunity right now to get it before it's $500 because it will be very soon. So take advantage of that while you can. And it's only because of, when I got hacked, like I wasn't expecting so many people, so there's people that was in the middle of watching my video. So, it kind of sort of let me know how many people actually watch the videos, because so many people email me. So many people hit me up on Instagram. It was like, yo, me and my dude was watching your video. We'll cut right off. Or I was just watching this video. I was taking notes from this video. So I literally had hundreds of people, saying they was watching videos. And it got cut off. So that was like, whoa, it's crazy, But it's good to know a lot of people was watching and are still watching the videos, the past videos. And so I wanted to make sure, especially if you are in the society, that you can go to the site and watch all those YouTube videos if something happens. And again, I have the backup channel. So a lot of people did subscribe to the backup channel. Link is in the description for the backup channel. Make sure you subscribe. I put a video up there letting everybody know what happened in case anybody was searching me. So that video I took down now, but it was up. But in the description in that video was the sale for Merkabah Scholar Society for only $39. So again, I told people, probably over a year ago, make sure you follow that page. So a lot of people missed out on that deal. So yeah, again, this is done. We're here. The only thing that's left to do now is to integrate the app with the site. And then just update everything that's happening on the site, and then that's it. It'll be a done deal for the website and the site and the app. So I appreciate everybody's patience on that. It's still a lot coming up, a lot going on. And we got a lot to get into. So yeah, I wanted to make this quick video to let everybody know I'm back on here. I'll be back doing lives pretty soon. We'll be doing meetings from the website. We'll do lives from the website as well. So it's going to be a lot going on with that situation. But if you live in California, I would highly recommend to get out of there if you can. If you're anywhere near those fires, I don't think it's done yet. They have a plan. We know what happened with Maui and with the other states that had similar things happen. California's been here for a long time. It's just weird that this happened now and around this time. Just look at the setting for everything. What's coming? What are they trying to do? They're trying to build a smart city. They want that land for whatever reason. It is weird to see fire go around homes and burn other homes. What is that? So you can see 4 mansions burnt to the ground, skip 1 mansion, burn all the mansions to the other side. It's weird. You see it a lot. Cars completely melted, and it's like, how? Under trees not lit on fire. There's trash cans that's sitting there still intact. Stuff that should be on fire is not on fire. So it's a weird scene. It's a lot to get into. And a lot of people have videos. And that's the thing about now. Living in this time, we see videos of crazy shit and we don't know whether it's, real or fake. And that's just how it's going to be easy for them to do things because we're not going to be able to tell. I mean, I've seen videos of lasers coming out of the sky, the clouds doing starburst and like a napalm bomb. It's ridiculous. All kinds of stuff. So people catching this stuff on video looks really real, but we don't know. We have no idea. We don't know how to determine what's real or not. And that's just how it is right now today. So there's going to be a lot more with that. Here's the thing, though. People in California are stupid. I've seen so many videos that's just bang on, pointing out so many things. I mean, the water not being available. So many things that happened leading up to this. The firefighters, the funding, people leaving, them not being able to get access to the equipment. So much happened leading up to this that just was like, this was, allowed to happen, if not, predetermined. So it is what it is. We're going to get into all that later on. I don't want to put too much on here. But yeah, you guys in Cali, just be careful, be safe out there. You guys know I live back and forth. I go back and forth to Cali to Vegas, and I'm not dealing with none of that stuff. So yeah, I've been running around, doing what I got to do, taking care of things. We got a lot to get into in society, so make sure you guys stay tuned and watch your emails. All the links are in the descriptions. New stuff coming up. I'll see you guys next video. Happy New Year again. Thanks for taking the time to watch and peace.